It's the truck I like. Regular cab, short box, step side, and a 5-speed. The only thing that would have made it any better would be the 5.3 or the 6. But I can live with the 4.8 for now. Especially for the time it takes to do an engine swap, and it's so relatively inexpensive these days to put a hell of an engine in there, especially with these LS's. Nice little truck. I think the guy who owned it really took care of it. He's a hot rod guy. The guy, he passed away a couple years ago, and he had just finished a '66 Chevelle build just before he passed away. So if he's a car guy, and I expect he is, then this has been pretty decently taken care of. So hey, as a tribute, we'll build it back up and get her into the 12s, I'm hoping. This is my son's Blazer. We just dropped it down in the last couple weeks. So lowered that all up. I just got to line the front end up and it's finished. I just haven't had time to do the alignment because I work a lot and I work nights. Okay, so we ran into a few snags with this truck, but we're still on the intro stages, so we're just introducing ourselves to the truck. A bit of problems. So I know you guys on here might wonder about that, but here in Ontario, for a 20-year-old truck, it's actually not bad. That'll be fixed up today. I've already cut the you can see I cut the rocker off already. So I'll have that all cleaned up and fixed up by today. So I'm trying to just get this side. There's also another problem. Gas doors rusted through, and that's just on this side. So the other side, I don't think the rocker's all the way rotted out all the way through. It's usually the driver's side gets it the worst from all the salt in the middle of the road and tossed that from the other lanes. So yeah, we got a random misfire to find on this. It is getting better. It takes longer and longer to come back each time. And the ABS wires have been cut off the front hubs. And here in Ontario, you can't pass inspection with an ABS light on. So I could open it up and just pull the LED off the ABS light, but I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. But it's a good little truck. It runs out half decent. I don't know if it's a fueling problem. It does have a fuel leak on the return line, so I'm going to fix that today too. So I'm trying to do the driver's side today. It'll probably be everything but the hub because I've been up all night working. So. This side all done. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know if you can see it or not, hopefully. But that's my hack job of doing rocker panel. Like I said, it's temporary. I'll take it to a pro when it's when the rest of the truck is finished. But for now, I just need to get it safe to drive, and then we'll play with it a bit, and then we'll see what we do with it. Coming along though. Another peek from the front view. It's not too bad. You can see right here it's a little longer, and I didn't bother to trim it, but it doesn't look too bad. don't mind that on the door. The guy did oil the truck. It's just, that's just dirt. But like I said, it sat for 2 years, so this has got a long way to go before she's perfect again. But that'll pass the safety. And at least it's better than holes.